Morning, my name is Maisha, Plentiful Hair Studio. And Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice that specializes in hair loss solutions for those suffering from thinning hair and hair loss. Okay, I've had a couple of clients get pieces from me in other locations, remote locations, and inside. And something that I made the mistake of is sometimes I forget that a novice wig wearer sometimes doesn't know the simple things, because automatically it's just something I don't think about until they contact me. One thing that I've had several questions on is how to part the units. And I've been seeing a couple of my guests or clients wear their units on social media and it's not parted. So I wanted to show you how to part it. Okay, for this unit, we're gonna actually change the part, right? So you can change the part two different ways, right? First, you go in with your tail comb and you make sure you're firm but not rough when parting a straight line in the piece, right? Now this is a lace topper, okay? Now you can either do two things. You can get your blow dryer and blow it, and you can go flat up against the head, you see, flat, and even in the front you can do a little lift if you want it to not be in the face. So you can go flat with the blow dryer, right? Or my favorite, you can spray it with the water and you can let it air dry. But what I do here for all guests is I use a foam. I use the Nairobi foam. You don't have to use Nairobi. You can use any alcohol-free foam. You can use the Alpha-G foam as well. I like that one, but I prefer Nairobi. Little pump, and just lay it down. Now you can either let this air dry. It'll give a smooth finish on top. You can let it air dry or you can blow dry it. I'm gonna let it air dry. But those are two ways, but you have to make sure that when you come in with your tail comb that you are really pressing it down so that it can pull and show the scalp. I've seen a lot of people have it and they have the hairs crossed and it has no scalp, and it looks very unnatural, okay? Underneath here, and if you do have, like this piece has not had the knots bleached. If you want, you can put a piece of scar tape underneath. You can use a powder, or you can bleach the knots. A lot of people don't like to bleach the knots because bleaching the knots will decrease the longevity of your piece over time. But it looks really natural when you do bleach the knots. However, if you don't want to, you can come in with a little bit of a makeup or underneath. Okay, now this is the unit with a little bit of makeup in the part. Now, some people don't like a straight part because they feel like a straight part makes it look very wiggy. However, a straight part or a part will show underneath, giving it more of a scalp-like appearance. It doesn't have to be a straight line. It can be a jagged line, but you have to make sure there are no hairs in that line, and you need a tail comb to do that. Thank you for watching my video.